Okay, let's do a sound test. So first of all, I'm gonna wash my bike. Oh shit. That's a lot of water. So, ideally when you're washing your bike, or washing anything at all in general, you don't want to have Crocs and socks on, because those things are very much not water resistant. So, tip of the day, close the water. There we go. I think this should be okay. You can properly see the exhaust.
Why should we spend money on a show? No one does those love scenes exactly like you. You make me feel so grand. I wanna hand the world to you, but you don't understand. Each foolish dream I'm dreaming, scheming. Now I know why my mama taught me to be true. Yeah, she meant me for someone else.
Then you shove that in there, hope that it's the right size, and realize that it doesn't actually fit, and then you don't know what to do. F***ing shit.